Okay, guys, so this is after the recording of the crazy tree thing, and what happened is there is a tornado coming in or something, and it's like crazy out there. You might be able to hear it, I'm not sure, but it's like crazy out there, and two trees fell down already, and basically it's just crazy out there. Guys, Preston here, and today I wanted to show you guys there's a tornado coming in or something. The trees are going crazy. They're going crazy. I think one fell over there somewhere. There are leaves coming down everywhere. It's crazy out here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look, I think a tree's about to fall. Oh my gosh, it almost blew my iPad out of my hand. Look at that. Alright, I'm just gonna watch these. These ones fly like crazy. See, they're like on their side right now. At some points it looks like they're getting ready to fall on us. It's crazy out here. As you can see, the storm clouds aren't that bad, but it's like a tornado. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. It's crazy out here. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, well that's it for today. Just wanted to show you guys how crazy it is out here. Okay guys, so this is after the recording of the tornado. A bit after it, because I was in my video editor after I recorded on my phone, and I realized that my phone doesn't record high quality videos, and it looks like it's in like 144 quality, so I decided to redo it. Look at how bad. It looks like a tornado went through here. It's crazy. So I'm just gonna kind of go through. Oh my gosh. This is where my bike ended up. It was over there in the driveway. It was over there. And now it's here. So there were some crazy winds during the storm. So it's kind of crazy. I'm going to try and put all the videos into one instead of 3 videos. I just gotta find where the other 2 clips were. Sorry, guys. Okay, here they are. So when I was coming back down, I found these little fruits. They're like little blueberries. There's like a bunch of them. There's these. There's 2 right here. There's another one somewhere around here. Don't know where it is. Then there's some over here. There's one. There were more. There were like 7 little patches of them. heading back up the street. There's just giant leaves like this. I'll go back down and show you the huge stick that I forgot to show you. There's two pretty big sticks. But there's just leaves and sticks everywhere. And then the other video was I threw it somewhere over here because I didn't expect to have to come back. But what it was a green persimmon. Here it is. So it is... Whoa, what the heck is that? Oh my gosh. This is like some mutant persimmon or something. That's purple. I don't know if you guys can see it. Well, it looks like a little face. There's the black eye right there and then a straight mouth. So yeah, this thing was all crushed up in the first video. Looked like it had a rough fall or something. But I'm going to crush this open and see what that purple thing is. Let me go get a stick. Do you guys think this one will be good enough? I'm going to try. These things are pretty hard to crack open. Nope, that isn't gonna work. I'm just gonna use my shoe. The stick would get out of here. There's nothing out of the ordinary, so I'm gonna go back down and show you the two giant sticks that I forgot about. I have to show you these, otherwise I would just end the video here. Didn't really want to disturb all the leaves, but I ended up doing it. My battery's about to die, so I gotta hurry. I'm gonna run. Okay, so right here is the big stick compared to my foot. It just broke off. So that's like 1, 2, 3, about 3.5. And then the really dangerous part, I don't know how it got stuck up there, but look. That stick's just hanging by a thread up there. It fell off that giant tree. It's dead, so it's pretty expected. Also, like 2 or 3 trees fell, so yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.